Alright, for scramble, all cross pieces are one move away. So you did it like this. So press pair was these right here. Then you go straight to these two. Then free pair right here. And lastly these two. And now for OLL. And then E-perm. So the cross solution was alright, but your execution should have been like this. So nothing wrong with the first pair, but in the second pair you should have done like this and insert at the back. So your third pair, nothing wrong here, and then nothing wrong here also. So I recommend using this alg. So second scrum, cross pieces are here, 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 and here, and these two pieces, when you do U, these two are ready to be solved. So what you did here is this. First pair did these two, and now second pair, you need these right here, and third pair these two. Lastly these two, and then OLL, and then PLL. So the cross, nothing wrong with it, so good job. And for a second pair, I recommend doing it here. It's not necessarily better, but it's just what I do, which I think it's probably best for me. And now second pair, I did these right here, so nothing wrong. So for the third pair, nothing wrong here. And also the last one. And OLL PLL is just standard. Third scrum, cross pieces are here, 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 and here. These three are already ready to solve, except this one. So your solution was like this. First pair did this right here. Second pair these right here. And for third and final pair, that's actually pretty cool, which precision slotting. You're solving it, at the same time. And OLL. And then U-perm. So your solution was alright, but it could have been better if you just did D and then solve it like that. So first pair, nothing wrong. So good job. But in the second pair, you should have just done this right here, which is by inserting the corner and double sexy. So your solution was fine here, but what would I do here specifically is do U and F prime U to F, and you can insert right here. So anyways, good job because you did precision slotting. So OLL and PLL are just standard. And that's it for solve 3. For solve, pieces are here, 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 and here. So what you did is an R, an F, and do D prime. And then you solved the corner by doing a U prime before you finish the cross. So first pair, you did keyhole. And second pair, you did these two. Third pair, these two. And lastly, these two. For OLL, 6 mover, and A-perm. So nothing wrong with the cross here, so good job. And for a first pair, also nothing wrong. So good job there. But for the second pair, you should have done these right here, so because it's more efficient. And the way you insert the pair at the back. I don't personally use this alg, but this alg is I think much better. Send me the last two pairs, nothing wrong. And also the, the OLL and the apron. It's just standard. So that's it for the fourth solve. So for the last solve, all edges are one move away from each other. So we did it like this. So for first pair, did keyhole again. Now second pair, these right here. And third pair. And for last one. And now the through rough. And then H-perm. So nothing wrong with the cross. And that kill was pretty nice. But then you missed this free pair. So for your solution for this case is pretty decent. So what I would do here is do a D prime. And then insert the corner. And then put it back. So for third pair, nothing wrong here. And also the last pair. But for the OLL, this block can be preserved. So doing here is just not a good idea. You can just do it right here. And yes, it gives you an H-perm, but preserving the block will increase the chance of getting a PLO skip. And that's it for the final solve. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this critique, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.